Welcome back. The question for today is 2-point charges of plus 16 microcoulomb and minus 9 microcoulomb are placed 8 centimeter apart in air. Determine the position of the point at which net electric field is 0. In short, the question is about we have two charges of 16 microcoulomb and minus 9 microcoulomb placed 8 centimeter apart, and we need to find a point in between these two where the net इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज 0. क्लियर? हमें इन दोनों चार्ज के बीच में एक पॉइंट निकालना है जहां पे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड 0 होगा. फॉर दिस वी नीड टू कंसिडर एट सम पोजिशन at point P, and let it be A and this be B, and from A to P is assumed to be X. In that case, from P to B will be 8 minus X. Clear? And I need to find the value of X in order to solve this question. Now, from the formula of electric field, we know that electric field E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. Using this formula, we can write electric field due to charge at point A is written as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Q is 16 into 10 to the power minus 6. Why? Here we have 16 microcoulomb, and we know that 1 microcoulomb is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. Hence we are writing 16 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by R square. In place of R, we have the distance between point A and P to be X. So we'll have X square, but remember the distance given is in centimeter and the SI unit of distance is or length is meter. So in order to convert the value from centimeter to meter, I write into 0.01. Why? Because we know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter, or 1 centimeter equal to 0.01 meter. So think over it. If we have 3 centimeter, then we can write 3 by 100 meter or 0.03 meter, or simply we can write 3 into 0.01 meter. So I am doing it over here. We have X square and the value of X is in centimeter. So in order to convert X into meter, I am multiplying 0.01. Now we have factor of X square. So you have square over here. Why? Think, if we have 3 centimeter square, then what can you write over here? That is 3 into 0.01 whole square. Clear? Or 3 square into 0.01 whole square, separating the two factors. In a similar manner, I have done over here X square, or converting X to meter and squaring it. So X square into 0.01 whole square. Similarly, electric field due to charge at point B is written as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q, that is minus 9 microcoulomb, or we can write minus 9 into 10 to the power minus 6 by 8 minus x whole square. Again, it is in centimeter, so we'll convert it by multiplying 0.01 whole square. Now, according to the question, the net electric field at point P is 0. That is, electric field due to charge at point A and charge at point B combine to form the net electric field at point P to be 0. And we need to find the value of x, or the position of point P from either of the charges. We can consider from B to P to be x and this to be 8 minus x, or this to be x and this to be 8 minus x. The answer will be same. Now see. Hence, the net electric field at point P is 0. So, EA plus EB should be equal to 0. The net electric field is 0. So, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 16 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by x square into 0.01 whole square plus EB, that is minus 9, or we can say 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into minus 9 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 8 minus x whole square into 0.01 whole square is equal to 0. That is, the net electric field due to the two charges at point P is 0. So I am writing EA plus EB at point P is equal to 0. Now, you can see that 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 16 into 10 to the power minus 6 by x square into 0.01 whole square plus and minus combine to form minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 9 into 10 to the power minus 6 by 8 minus x whole square into 0.01 whole square equal to 0. Hence, when you shift this factor to the RHS part, we will get 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 16 into 10 to the power minus 6 by x square into 0.01 whole square, and shifting this one to the RHS part, we get equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 9 into 10 to the power minus 6 by 8 minus x whole square into 0.01 whole square. Now you are clever enough to solve the value of x. See, we can cancel these two factors. Similarly, this also cancels, and this part, and we are left with just a few numbers, that is 16 by x square equal to 9 by 8 minus x whole square. In order to solve this, we know that 16 is 4 square by x square, 9 is 3 square by 8 minus x whole square. Now 4 by x equal to 3 by 8 minus x. In this form we can write. Cancelling or taking square root in both sides, we have the value 4 by x equal to 3 by 8 minus x, and hence we can write 4 into 8 minus x equal to 3 into x, that is cross multiplying the factors. If I solve this value, we will have 32 minus 4x equal to 3x. Hence 32 equal to 3x plus 4x, or 32 equal to 7x, that is x equal to 32 by 7. 32 by 7 centimeter, because in the given question we have the value in centimeter, so I calculated the value of x in centimeter. So the final answer is 32 by 7 centimeter.